When you invest in a mutual fund, your money is combined with the money from other investors. A fund manager then uses that pool of money to buy a mix of investments, like stocks, bonds, or a combination of both, depending on the fund's objective. Risk levels of mutual funds. Mutual funds come in different types, and each type carries its own level of risk. Here are some common types. Low risk, conservative funds. These funds focus on investments that are considered safer, like government bonds or high-quality corporate bonds. While they typically offer lower returns, they also come with lower risk because they're less likely to lose value. Medium risk, balanced funds. Balanced funds invest in a mix of stocks and bonds, aiming to strike a balance between growth and stability. They are designed to provide moderate returns while managing risk by diversifying across different types of assets. High risk, aggressive or growth funds. These funds primarily invest in stocks of companies with high growth potential. While they offer the potential for higher returns, they also come with higher risk because stock prices can be volatile and may fluctuate more. Considerations for beginners. Risk tolerance. Consider your comfort level with risk when choosing a mutual fund. If you're more risk-averse, you might prefer conservative funds, while those comfortable with risk might opt for aggressive growth funds. Diversification. Mutual funds offer built-in diversification because they hold a mix of investments. Diversifying reduces the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. Fees. Be aware of fees associated with mutual funds, such as management fees and expense ratios. These fees can affect your returns over time, so it's essential to understand and compare them before investing. Investment goals. Determine your investment goals, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding your children's education. Different mutual funds are suited to different goals and time horizons. Remember, investing always involves risk, but understanding your risk tolerance and choosing investments that align with your goals can help you navigate the world of mutual funds more confidently. It's also a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Hit the subscribe button. Now, if you like this video, also leave your valuable comments.